For the use of this 4-star rank in other countries, see General. General is the highest rank of the German Army and German Air Force. As a 4-star rank, it is the equivalent to the rank of admiral in the German Navy. The rank is rated of 9 in NATO. It is grade B8 in the pay rules of the Federal Ministry of Defense. Rank insignia. On the shoulder straps there are 4 golden pips in golden oak leaves. Early history. The German rank of general most likely saw its first use within the religious orders of the Holy Roman Empire of the German nation, albeit in modified forms and usage from the current understanding of general. By the 16th century, with the rise of standing armies, the German states had begun to appoint generals from the nobility to lead armies in battle. A standard rank system was developed during the 30 Years' War, with the highest rank of general usually reserved for the ruling sovereign and the actual field commander holding the rank of general-lieutenant. Feldmarschall was a lower rank at that time, as was General.Wachtmeister. By the 17th and 18th centuries, the rank of general was present in all the militaries of the German states, and saw its greatest usage by the militaries of Bavaria and Prussia. It was these two militaries that created the concept of the general staff, which was often manned entirely by members of the nobility. To be a general often implied membership in the noble class. 19th century. During the Napoleonic Wars, the ranks of German generals were established in 4 grades, beginning with General Major, followed by General Lieutenant, General and General Feldmarschall. The standard uniforms and insignia, used for over a century, also developed during this period. The title of general included the officer's branch of service, leading to the titles of General der Infantry, General der Cavalry and General der Artillerie. In 1854, Prussia introduced the rank of Generaloberst, translated Colonel General, so that officers could be promoted further than general without becoming a General Feldmarschall, as this rank was usually bestowed only for extraordinary achievements during wartime service. Later, another special grade known as Generaloberst im Rangedienst General Feldmarschalls was first used in Bavaria to denote colonel generals who were given the authority of field marshals without the actual rank. During the German Empire, the insignia of German generals was established as a heavy golden shoulder board with up to 4 pips denoting seniority as a general. The rank of General Feldmarschall displayed a crossed set of marshal's batons on the shoulder board. German generals also began wearing golden ornaments on the collars, in contrast to the collar bars worn by elite units, or the plain-colored collars of the rest of the German military forces. The grade of Supreme General in the rank of a Field Marshal was introduced in the Prussian Imperial Army in 1871. It was bestowed on senior generals, usually holding the appointment of an army inspector and therefore army commanders designate in the case of hostilities. The shoulder board rank was cross batons with 3 pips. The rank of Supreme General proper was created in 1901. In the Prussian army, the rank of Field Marshal could be awarded only to active officers in wartime if they had won a battle or stormed a fortress. In times of peace, the rank was awarded as an honorary rank to friendly princes and as character to generals of merit when they retired. General with the honorary rank of Field Marshal, which was cancelled in 1911. At the same time, the rank insignia for Colonel General with the rank of Field Marshal was changed to 4 pips without batons. World War II. Here 1 General Feldmarschall, 2 General Feldmarschall, 3 Generaloberst, 4 General of the Branch, 5 Generallieutenant and 6 General Major. Luftwaffe 1 Reichsmarschall Hermann Göring, 2 General Feldmarschall, 3 General Feldmarschall, 4 Generaloberst, 5 General of the Branch, 6 Generallieutenant and 7. General Major. The German rank of general saw its widest usage during World War II. Due to the massive expansion of the German armed forces, a new wave of generals was promoted in the 1930s that would lead Germany into war. Reichsmarschall. The post of the Reichsmarschall was the highest military ranking that a German could reach. The post was held solely by Hermann Göring. Göring also happened to serve as the head of the Luftwaffe and was responsible for handling Germany's war economy. General-Feldmarschall. In 1936, Hitler revived the rank of Field Marshal. Generaloberst. The rank of Generaloberst, usually translated as Colonel General, but perhaps better as Senior General. A Generaloberst was usually an army commander, general of the branch. In WW2, the German three-star rank General of the branch was formerly linked to the branch of the Army Heer, or Air Force Luftwaffe, in which the officer served and commanded. In addition to the long-established General der Cavallerie, General der Artillerie and General der Infanterie, the Wehrmacht also had General der Panzertruppen, General der Gebirgstruppen, General der Pionier, General der Fallschirmtruppen, General der Flieger, General der Flakartillerie, General der Nachrichtentruppen and General der Luftnachrichtentruppen. A general of the branch was usually a corps commander. Generalleutnant. The German Generalleutnant was usually a senior division commander. General Major. The German General Major was usually a junior division commander. The Staff Corps of the Wehrmacht, medical, veterinary, judicial and chaplain, use special designations for the general offices with Generalarzt, General Veterinär, General Richter and Feldbischof being the equivalent of General Major, Generalstabsarzt, General Stabsveterinär and General Stabsrichter the equivalent of Generalleutnant, and Generaloberstabsarzt, Generaloberstabsveterinär and Generaloberstabsrichter the equivalent of general. With the formation of the Luftwaffe, Air Force generals began to use the same general ranks as the German Army. The shoulder insignia was identical to that used by the Army, with the addition of special collar patches worn by Luftwaffe general officers. The supreme rank of Reichsmarschall was created in 1940 for Hermann Göring. Waffen-SS. In 1941, the Waffen-SS began using general ranks in addition to standard SS ranks. An Oberstgruppenführer of the Waffen-SS, for example, would be titled Oberstgruppenführer und Generaloberst der Waffen-SS. The Ordnungspolizei also used similar police ranks. The Waffen-SS had no field marshals, but the rank of Reichsführer SS held by Heinrich Himmler was considered to be the equivalent of a field marshal during the war years. The Waffen-SS general ranks in WW2 were as follows: 1 SS Oberstgruppenführer and Generaloberst of the Waffen-SS, 2 SS Obergruppenführer and General of the Waffen-SS, 3 SS Gruppenführer and Lieutenant General of the Waffen-SS, and 4 SS Brigadeführer and Major General of the Waffen-SS. The senior colonel rank of SS Oberführer has sometimes been considered to be a brigadier general equivalent. However, this is incorrect. The rank was not considered equivalent to a general officer, was not entitled to the grey lampasses and lapel facings of a general, and wore the shoulder boards of an army full colonel or oberst. Modern usage. After World War II, the West German Bundeswehr and the East German Nationale Volksarmee adopted the rank systems of the respective military blocs. In the Bundeswehr, the rank of Brigadier General was inserted below the rank of General Major, while the rank titles of General Major, Generalleutnant and General were retained. Each of those titles now denotes a higher rank than before. Prior to the reunification unification of Germany. General officer rank designations in the German Democratic Republic were based on the Soviet model. General Major was still the lowest general officer grade, followed by General Lieutenant, General Oberst and Army General. In 1982, the GDR government established the rank of Marshal der DDR, although no one was ever promoted to this rank.